Hi, what have you done for love today? It's a really valid question. For years, I have talked about this for a long time, gone over it, over and over and over and over, to the point of ad nauseum, really, if you're asking me. But anyway, so the older calendars are 2 months off of our current Gregorian one. September is the seventh month, October is the eighth month, November is the ninth month, and so forth. So you could look at 9/11, 2001, whenever the towers went down, right? 9/11 being actually 7/11. Because on the old calendars, the ninth month, September on our calendar, is really the seventh month on the old ones. So I also do not think we are done with the day 7/11 yet. Could be mistaken, but I just found this out yesterday, last night to be more specific. And I tell you something that it not only kind of blew my mind about, but time has really been wacky, hasn't it? And I'll show you what I mean by that. So I found this last night, as I was saying, enormous American flag draped over Hoover Dam as Lake Mead endures severe drought. So there it is. This happened on May 25th. And whenever I saw this, my brain just immediately remembered of the goat that I did a video on at the time. They projected a goat onto the Hoover Dam. And not only did they do it, they did it in May. So 11 years ago, this is 1 month before President Trump announces his thing, is running for president, or Trump announces his running for president, was in June. So 1 month before that, but here they are, throwing this projection up in May, 11 years apart. And what blew my mind is I can't believe this is 11 years ago, man. I remember making a video on it. It's wild. It's really hard to believe how much has happened, and I can't believe that. I really thought, I knew this was prior 2020, man, but I thought like maybe 2018 or something. I just can't believe it's been 11 years. But anyway, I don't care what anyone says, this Hoover Dam is going down, man. It's been blown up in several movies. It's on the back of the $50 bill as far as I'm concerned. So this thing is a target. And this whole rededication to God that we did and are in the process of doing is because they're rededicating this to their God because this place is about to be sacrificed. That's my opinion. And so I do find it very strange that Trump read from this 2 Chronicles 7:11, right? It's odd. And then not only that, there's more to it. This, as I've shown you here, was done on May 25th. Well, that's 47 days from 7/11. And we all know what 47 means. 86-47. Remember, that's what got James Comey in all the trouble earlier this year. Because it means the removal of Trump. Let's just say it that way. And this rededication was done on May 17th, which is 1 plus 7 is 8. This was done on May 8th. This dedication of 250 dedication of the country is on this Economist magazine, which shows this conflict on some kind of tanker and just... So I just wanted to throw all this out there. Couldn't believe that last night. One, that this happened, and two, that it had already been 11 years since the last time. My goodness gracious, man. But that's it for now. We'll talk again in a little while. Keep your head up. Use your heart to see if you got one, which, well... We'll stop there.